Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of home cleaning gadgets. We will be comparing two popular robot vacuums, the Robot Vacuum and the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and find out which one is the best fit for your cleaning needs. Let's start with the design and features of these two robot vacuums. Both the Robot Vacuum and the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo are 2-in-1 mopping robot vacuum cleaners. They can quickly remove dust, paper scraps, and other garbage. They also feature a wet mop function and an electric control water tank, making them suitable for all hard floors. Now let's talk about the performance of these robot vacuums. Both models have advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance functions. Their full set of sensors can intelligently identify and avoid white walls, stairs, and other obstacles. With their slim design, they can reach every corner of your house or narrow spaces, ensuring a thorough cleaning. Moving on to the cleaning modes offered by these robot vacuums. Both the Robot Vacuum and the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo provide 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes. You can switch between different modes such as auto, spot, edge, and zigzag cleaning to meet the different cleaning needs of your home. The zigzag cleaning mode in particular covers the largest area for cleaning, reducing mis-scanning and increasing efficiency by 30%. Lastly, let's discuss the brushless suction port. The Robot Vacuum is powered by a strong digital motor providing strong suction power. Its unique air inlet design ensures that it will not be blocked by pet hair, making it ideal for pet families. The ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo also offer an advantaged brushless suction port, ensuring no hair entanglement during the cleaning process. Based on online reviews, here is the overall assessment of the two robot vacuums. And there you have it, a detailed comparison of the Robot Vacuum and the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Both models have their unique features and advantages. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. If you have any suggestions for future comparisons, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.